Hello guys, welcome back to Kuma's Digital Galaxy. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Like and share. Today, we are diving deep into a fascinating and transformative concept that's shaping the world. Datafication. In today's episode, we'll explore what datafication is, how it's revolutionizing various industries, and the benefit it offers. So let's get started. Datafication refers to the process of converting various aspects of our lives into data that can be collected, analyzed, and used to make decisions. This process has been made possible by advances in technology, particularly the proliferation of internet-connected devices and the rise of big data analytics. One of the key ways that datafication is being used today is in the realm of the Internet of Things, IoT. IoT devices such as smart home devices, wearables, and connected cars collect vast amounts of data about our daily lives, including information about our physical location, movement patterns, and behavior. In this digital age, almost everything we do generates data, from our online shopping habits and social media interactions to the sensors that track our physical activities. This data is then collected, analyzed, and transformed into insights that can drive decision making. Healthcare. Datafication has enabled personalized medicine where a patient data is analyzed to tailor treatments. Wearable devices like smartwatches and health apps collect data for real-time monitoring, helping individuals take charge of their well-being. Retail. Online shopping generates massive amount of data, allowing retailers to understand consumer preferences, optimize price, and create targeted marketing campaigns. Finance. The financial sector utilizes data to detect fraudulent activities, assess credit risk, and predict market trends, enhancing both security and investment decisions. Urban planning. Cities are becoming smart through datafication. Sensors track traffic patterns, energy consumption, and even waste management, leading to more efficient and sustainable urban environments. Datafication impact on industries. The impact of datafication is immense. Let's take a look at a few industries that have undergone significant transformation due to this phenomenon. The energy sector, NEDCo in focus. This sector is under continuous development and more of significant innovations are yet to come. The energy sector seems to be very demanding in terms of new technology, applications, and development of new energy sources. Please don't forget to subscribe to Kuma's Digital Galaxy for more development on digital technology. Also like and share. A rapid advancement of the energy sector and utilities especially influences social development. Individuals are now facing challenges of smart energy management and consumption, use of renewable energy sources, and environmental protection. So let's take a look at datafication use cases in Northern Electricity Distribution Company, NEDCo. 1. Failure probability modeling and preventive maintenance. Active use of failure probability modeling helps to boost performance, predict unexpected and occasional failures in the functioning that result in low maintenance costs. NEDCo invests a huge budget into maintenance of their machines and devices. Unexpected failures in their operation lead to extensive monitoring loss. 2. Outage detection and reduction. Smart power outage communication methods are capable of forecasting the effect of environmental conditions on the power grid, are capable of predicting the effect of the near-term asset values on the power system, detecting probable outages by smart meter functionings, detecting outages in the specified places, real-time filtering of outage input as well as recognition of the outage time, and last but not the least, confirmation of the outage and communication on the same. Dynamic energy management. 3. Datafication play an important role in NEDCo as it empowers dynamic management methods in smart grids. This essentially contributes to the optimization of the energy flows between NEDCo and its cherished customers. The effectiveness of the power management process depends on the load forecasting and for smart grid security and theft detection. Also to predict and prevent energy theft, and as a result, monitoring loss from huge energy companies. Monitor energy flow to respond quickly to suspicious meters. Due to this, NEDCo management tend to move to advanced metering infrastructures, which are effective in reporting the energy consumption instances and remote controlling. 4. Demand response management. Specific real-time management programs and solutions enable monitoring matrix of power use, define the activity, alter the energy flow as per the current demand. Additionally, there exists a response management program encouraging customers to use energy wisely in order to save money consequently. 5. Improving operational efficiency. NEDCo uses datafication applications and software for their operations and functions. Optimizing of real-time monitoring provides information regarding time activity rates. The data is then processed in conjunction with the outside element to define the average efficiency. 6. Optimizing asset performance. Real-time datafication concerning assets, wellness, supply, as well as demand analysis help to enhance asset performance. Data-driven and business analytics softwares are used to monitor cost, conditions, and performances, as well as to define scoring strategies and the aspect of vital priority. Thus, improve the reliability, availability, and capacity of the assets and reduce cost. Application of datafication in all these ways enhance the customer experience. So now you know how datafication has transformed NEDCo. The future of datafication holds immense promise as technology propels us into an era of unprecedented connectivity. Well, this is all about today's episode, but don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the like button, and drop your comment below. Kuma's Digital Galaxy is all about digital technology. Thank you for watching.